Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Leanna here. It's another edition of What's on the Porch, and today we are doing a Sigma haul. I was influenced this time not by an influencer, but by my daughter. So let's dig on into this box and see what we got. I'm super excited. Their boxes are always packaged. Everything is always packaged very nicely. They always give you a ton of information, and they always give you a coupon for your next purchase. And it's normally always the same thing. This is like a little catalog of their different products. If you have watched some of my other videos, you have heard me talk about how my daughter calls me and she does her makeup. We video chat and she does her makeup while she's getting ready for work. And she had received a Sigma eyeshadow base primer that she was using, and I have one of those that I got in my Sigma 12 Days of Beauty box, but it's like a shimmer, and the one she had was a matte. So, of course, I went to the Sigma website to look for it. And you can't just go there and buy one thing. So, in the Sigma 12 Days of Beauty box, I got one of the little palettes and love their palettes. Their eyeshadows are exceptional. And I had gone online and looked at the others, and I had picked up the green, I don't remember what that one's called, wanted the other one. So while I was on their website, I picked these up. I think I had a coupon for some money off. This is Ritzy, and look at how pretty that is. Beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm excited about that one, and I'm really excited about this one. This one is called Hazy. Look at how pretty that is. Look at those colors. Look at that one there in the center. My goodness. I will swatch those in a minute. The other thing that I got on their website was a lash applicator to help me put on my false lashes, because this has the long pieces so that you can, put your lashes down. And it also has a little comb. I didn't notice that. It's got a little comb on the end of it. How cute is that? So you can comb your lashes. I think that was like $17. Those little palettes are $29. And then I don't remember which shade of the base that Brandy had. I have two because I got one for free. And these are Persuade and Sorbet, and I want to say that she had Persuade. And I like the one that I have that's a shimmer. This is what that looks like. And it's just a crayon. This is definitely a matte. They go on so smooth. And they do dry down really nice because I've used, like I said, that other one. And this one is Sorbet. Both of these are very pink. You see how that's kind of pink? This one is too. That's not cool. That's not cool, Sigma. It was stuck. See if I can tap it back down in there. That one's a little bit darker. That one might have just a little bit of a sheen to it. And then while I was there, I got a liquid lipstick. This is in the color Suede. I believe this was on sale, but I don't remember what I paid for it. Here's what that looks like. Very pretty. Very pretty. Ooh, look at that. I love it. Love it, love it. I'm anxious to see how that will dry down. and if it will stay. And then they sent me a sample of their brush shampoo. So that's Sig Magic Liquid Brush Cleanser. So that's exciting. So I'm going to give that lipstick just a few minutes to dry down, and then I'll come back and let you know whether it does or not. So the eyeshadow base has dried down nicely, and one of them does have a little bit of a sheen to it. The lipstick has just a little bit of a tack to it. But gosh, that is so pretty. I can't stand it. I knew when I saw it that I had to have it, so let's just try it on, shall we? Look at how pretty that is. That goes on very easy too. Very pretty. I love it. Love it, love it. So that's it. Just a quick little Sigma haul to show you how my daughter influenced me. I'm supposed to be influencing her. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that like button and show it some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, this would be a good little palette for you to use before you go fishing. Hazy, you know, like when you're sitting on the bank of the river and you're fishing and it's hot and things are kind of hazy. Then you'll just blend in with your hazy look you got going on. Okay? Then you can have some suede lips too. Like this. Mama loves you, boo.